Go get him. Get him. Where are you? Where are you? Get him, boys. Come on. Get him. Well, get him, Frankie. Go get him. Hurry up. Hurry up, snow dogs. Where are you? Frankie and Ditto. This is Monday, January 4th. Freezing, 20-some degrees, maybe 18. Here comes Ditto. Enough. Frankie's still running. Frankie will keep going. What you got, Frankie? Go see. Hurry. Go get him, Ditto. Go on. Hurry up. Go. Go see. Go get him. Go get him. Get him, Frankie. Franks and beans. Go get him. Psst. Go find the squirrels. Where'd he go, Ditto? Where'd he go? Get him! Well, get him, guys! Who's hungry? You want to stay out in the snow or you want to eat? You hungry? Where are you? You want to eat? Are you hungry? Come on! What's the matter, Ditto? Out of shape? Chubby? He's running circles around you, old man. You hungry? And then I pan back here into the hallway, and there's Buster. Buster says I'm camera shy. You boys hungry? Come on. Don't you think it's time to eat? Give you an idea how deep the snow is. It's up past their hocks. And Frankie found the branch that came off the tree. Come on, Frankie. Oh, are you Frankie B? What do you got there? Can I see it? What is it? I think it's too big for you to pull out. Come on, boys. Let's eat. You hungry? You want to stay out in the snow? Come on. Look at you bringing all the snow in the house. Come on, let's go.